Yes. Good morning to dear students. Today I will discuss about the direct conversion method. This is the part of unit 1. And the subject name is the power plant engineering. Semester is 7. This is the energy conversion method. It is also it is called how many types of the direct energy conversion method from one form to another form. So move to the outline. This is the outline of the today lecture: direct energy conversion system, thermoelectric power generation, principle of thermoelectric power generation, Seebeck effect, thermoelectric power generation, working of the thermoelectric power generator, MHD generator, principle and working. What is the MHD generator? Open loop MHD working, closed loop MHD working, and the power generation in India. So these are the outline of the today lecture. So direct energy conversion system, it is dozen meeting. This is the transformation of one type of energy, such as the sunlight, to the another, such as the electricity. If the sunlight is converted into the electricity without passing through an intermediate stage, such as the steam, to spin the generator turbines, that is called a direct energy conversion system. There are the different types of the DC direct energy conversion system. And that is first is a type of the thermoelectric power generation. Second is the thermoionic power generation. Third is the magneto hydrodynamic system. Fourth is the photovoltaic power system. Fifth is the fuel cells. Sixth number is the thermonuclear fusion power generation. Thermoelectric power generation. This is the dozen meeting. Thermoelectric power generator, that is a device that converts the heat energy into the electrical energy based on the Seebeck effect. Already we have studied about in the school time what is the meaning of the Seebeck effect. Seebeck effect refers to a class of phenomena in which a temperature difference creates an electrical potential, and whenever current passes through the circuit of the two dissimilar conductors, depending on the current direction, either the heat is absorbed or released at the junction of the two conductors. This is also known as the Peltier effect. So there is a two method where the thermoelectric power generation it will be done, and the energy conversion from the heat energy into the electrical energy done by the Seebeck and the Peltier effect. So Seebeck effect refers to a class of phenomena in which a temperature difference create an electrical potential. This is called a Seebeck effect. तो इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल को क्रिएट करने के लिए टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस लाया जाता है, और टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस के लिए हमें अपोजिट बोलना चाहिए जो डायरेक्शन के रहते हैं मटेरियल्स उनको चूज किया जाता है. तो वेन एवर द करंट पासेस थ्रू द सर्किट ऑफ टू डिसिमिलर कंडक्टर्स, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द करंट डायरेक्शन, आइदर द हीट इज एब्जॉर्ब और द रिलीज एट द जंक्शन ऑफ द टू कंडक्टर, जिससे कि हम पेल्टियर इफेक्ट से बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे कि अलग अलग टाइप के जो मटेरियल रहते हैं उनको आपस में कांटेक्ट में लेके आते हैं, करंट पास किया जाता है, जिससे कि वहां पे हीट एनर्जी जो है या तो रिलीज होती है या तो एब्जॉर्ब होती है एट द जंक्शन ऑफ टू कंडक्टर. जहां पे भी उसकी पॉइंट रहता है, जहां पे जंक्शन बनता है, वहां पे इस तरह का इफेक्ट क्रिएट होता है. तो व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल? In the purer metallic conductor, outer electron less connected to the other can move freely around all the material as if they do not belong to the any atom. These electrons transmit energy one to the another through the temperature variation, and this energy intensely varies depending on the nature of the material. तो यहाँ पे मटेरियल कंडक्टर इस तरीके से रहते हैं, यदि टू सिमिलर मटेरियल रहेंगे तो उसमें एनर्जी जो मूवमेंट रहेगा, एटम्स का जो मूवमेंट रहेगा बहुत धीमा रहता है, और टू डिसिमिलर मेटल्स में जहाँ पे जंक्शन बनता है वहां पे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का मूवमेंट रहता है वो ज्यादा रहता है. एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑल्सो ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द मटेरियल, if the two distant material are placed in contact, free electrons will be transferred from the more loaded material to the other, so that the equate themselves. Such transference create a potential difference called the contact potential, since the result will be a pole negatively charged by the received electrons and the another positively charged by the loss of the electron. तो जितनी भी एनर्जी का जनरेशन हो रहा है, दैट इज द क्रिएटिंग ऑफ द negative and the positive charge. So negative charge it will be received by the electron, and the positive charge it is the loss of the electron. What do you mean by the Seebeck effect? Seebeck effect क्या होता है? When the junction of the two different metals are maintained at a different temperature, the EMF is produced in the circuit. This is known as a Seebeck effect. जब दो मटेरियल्स के बीच में, जंक्शन के बीच में आपका टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस क्रिएट होता है तो ईएमएफ प्रोड्यूस होता है सर्किट में, जैसे कि हम सीबेक इफेक्ट के नाम से जानते हैं। द मटेरियल ए इज मेंटेन एट ए टी प्लस डेल्टा टी टेम्परेचर, द मटेरियल बी इज मेंटेन एट टेम्परेचर टी. Since the junction are maintained at a different junction, the EMF V flow across the circuit. This is the diagram where it will be clear. Hot junction, that is the clear by the here hot junction creating a red symbol, and the cold junction creating the white junction, white color. And when the two dissimilar material, this is the copper, this is the nickel. सपोज दैट एग्जाम्पल के रूप में दिया हम कॉपर और निकल का लें और दोनों वायरों को एक जंक्शन पॉइंट पे जोड़े, जैसे कि एक हॉट जंक्शन बनेगा जिसमें कोल्ड जंक्शन बनेगा. तो आफ्टर दैट व्हेन दे आर मेकिंग अ जंक्शन, there will be a creating of the voltage and after all creating a Seebeck effect. So thermoelectric power generation, it will be done by the N type and the P type of the conductor or electron, where it will be passes through the two dissimilar material. So heat is removed from this side. This is the cold side where the heat is removed from the upper side, and the hot side heat is absorbing. There it is given in the diagram. The electron flow is from the hot side to the cold side. It is always done in the NP type of the junction. So there are the two type of the material where the creating of the temperature difference and the creating of the temperature differences, also voltage creating, and after all there will be chances of the electron will be flow from the hot side to the cold side, and there is a chances of creating of energy. So this is the another diagram in which the P type of the thermoelectric material and the hot junction is created of the upper side, and the similarly here that is a creating of the cold junction at the bottom side. The current is passing from the cold to the hot junction, and the heat is flowing from the hot to cold side. Electrode, this is making of the arrangement for the N and P type of the junctions. Thermoelectric power generation, this is Thomas Edison invented that the electrons are emitted from a metal surface when it was heated. This effect is called the Edison effect. Thermoionic power generator, that is a static device that converts heat energy into the electrical energy by the boiling electrons from a hot emitted surface across a small inter electrode gap, that is the less than of the 0.5 mm, to a cooler collector surface is equal to the 1000 Kelvin, which is of the 1000 Kelvin. So emitted surface where the electron is passing through, or the where the energy will be reflected from the emitted from the hot surface, that it is temperature of the 1800 Kelvin. Then the thermoionic power generation consisting of the two electrodes, that is the place near the one and the sealed into the N evacuated vessel. The space is filled with the gas like the cesium vapors. TPG principle, that is the thermoionic generator. In the it is called a converter, also convert the heat energy directly to the electrical energy by utilizing the thermoionic emission effect. This is the TPG principle where the heat energy directly convert into the electrical form, जिसमें कि emission effect को utilize किया जाता है. All the metals and the some oxides have the free electrons which are the release on the heating. In a thermoionic converter, electron act as a working fluid in a place of the vapor or gas. In this device, electrons are emitted from the surface of the heated metal. The energy required to extract an electron from the metal, that is known as a work function and expressed in the electron volts, that is called represented by the small e and the capital V. The work function depends on the nature of the metal and its surface condition. This is the thermoelectric power generation presented in the diagram. Emitter cathode, this is the temperature maintained, Tc is equal to 1800 Kelvin, and the collector anode Ta is equal to 1000 Kelvin. So heat is supplying from the one side and the heat is out from the another side. The electron is passing from the hot to cold side, or where the energy will losing from hot junction to the cold junction. This is the TPG working described in the diagram, where the heat is supplying from the one side at the bottom, and the heat is going from the another sides. In a thermoionic converter, two electrodes, cathode and anode, are placed in a container containing ionized gas or a cesium vapor to reduce the space charges. Already discussed in the previous slide, where the how was the working of the thermoelectric power generator. The cathode is heated by the concentrating the rays on it. On heating the cathode, the electrons are emitted from the it and travel to the anode side. The cathode and the anode are connected to externally through the load circuit. This is another diagram in which the TPG working are explained clearly. The electrons return back to the cathode through the external circuit and the current flows through the external circuit that is presented in the diagram where it is given here. The heat is flowing from the cathode side. It is having the highest temperature, and anode where the electron is absorbing by the cathode side where the heat is out to the atmosphere, and the vacuum or the plasma which is maintained in the inside of the cathode and anode circuit diagram. The heat energy which is converted directly into the electrical energy through a process similar to that is the steam plant where the water is evaporated in a boiler and the steam is condensed after doing the useful work in engine. इस ये जो पूरा जितना भी प्रोसीजर आप देख रहे हैं कि where the cathode is emitted the electron and it is passing through the anode side, anode collector side. This is similar principle which is occur and which is seen already in the thermal power plant where the steam is producing by the help of the combustion of the fuel which is taking place and the water is heated by the some external sources after the combustion of the fuel, and the water is converted into the steam form. This steam will be used by the turbine and the expansion of the steam taking place in the turbine section, and after that where the steam will be expanded in the turbine section, it will be condensed into the condensing unit after the useful work done by the engine. This is the MSD generator. What is the MSD generator? It is a full form magneto hydrodynamic generator, which is a device that works on the principle of the Faraday law of the electromagnetic induction. It is already studied in the school time. What is the Faraday law? Faraday law doesn't mean that when the conductor, solid, liquid, or the gas move through a magnetic field, it generates an electric field perpendicular to the magnetic field and the direction of the conductor. तो जिस भी डायरेक्शन में आप करंट फ्लो कर रहे हैं, जिस भी डायरेक्शन में आप इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बना रहे हैं, it will be perpendicular to the magnetic field and the direction of the conductor. तो जिस डायरेक्शन में कंडक्टर फ्लो हो रहा है, जिस डायरेक्शन में कंडक्टर अपना सर्किट डायग्राम क्रिएट कर रहा है या बोलना चाहिए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को इमिडिएट कर रहा है, वहां पे जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रहती है वो परपेंडिकुलर रहती है. तो in a MHD, the conductor is an ionized gas which is passed at a high velocity through a powerful magnetic field. A current is generated and can be extracted by placing the electrodes in a suitable position in the streams. This is the Faraday law where the current is passing through the conductor side. यहाँ पे आप जो देख रहे हैं लेफ्ट हैंड रूल को फॉलो कर रहा है, and the direction of force which is the perpendicular magnetic field is generated in the right hand side and the direction of current is passing through the other side. This is the another diagram in which the electrode is making of the north and south pole. Ionized gas is passing through from one side. DC voltage output is created and EM is introduced voltage electric current, and the motion of conductor which is the plasma current which is producing, and the magnetic field is generated in the another side. MHD power generation process is governed by the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, where when the conductor, solid, liquid, or the gas passes through a magnetic field, it introduces EMF perpendicular to the magnetic field and the direction of the conductor. In MHD, the flow of the conductive plasma through a magnetic field at a high velocity causes a voltage to be generated across the electrode perpendicular to the both the plasma flow and the magnetic field across the according to the Fleming's right hand rule. So this is the diagram in which the showing the where the conductor is making of the two types of the pole. This is the north and the south poles, and the hot gases passing through the conductor sides, and it will be created the output current through the voltage. MHD generator that is resembled to the rocket engine surrounded by the huge magnetic field. It has the no moving parts, and the actual conductors are replaced by the ionized gas that is called a plasma. The magnets used can be the electromagnets or the superconducting magnets, and the superconducting magnets are used in the larger MHD generator to eliminate one of the larger paramagnetic losses. So this is the diagram in which the showing all the things where the segmented electrodes are using by the solenomide, जो आपका एलिमेंट है उसके द्वारा segmented electrodes को use किया जाता है, and the entry is passing through the this section where it is going from this side to the this side, where the output is taking in the form of the current, and collected of the electron or the energy, it is coming from the output side section. Accelerating zone section, where the make a divergent section part or make a convergent divergent section, there will be a acceleration of the fluid making of taking place. This is the MHD generator constructions, where the fuel is passing through the combustion chamber, and the expansion nozzle is creating the speeding of the nozzle, spreading of the this is the electron emitted from the fuel sides, or energy is creating from this sides. The pressure energy of fuel after the combustion, where it is going into the combustion chamber, and the creating of the energy of high amount, it is passing through the nozzle and passing through the MHD generator, where the exhaust gases is coming down, and the heat exchanger recollecting or the reuse of the energy to the another section. It will be going into the compressor sides, and the air is used for the combustion chamber. Atmospheric air is used for the combustion chamber for the proper combustion of the fuel is taking place. The exhaust gases which is coming from the heat exchanger side, which is escaping to the atmosphere. So this is called the open cycle using the conventional fuel. Generally, in a generator, the conductor consists of the copper windings or the strips, while in an MHD generator, the hot ionized gas or conducting the fluid replace the solid conductor. तो MHD जनरेटर जो है वो आपका बेसिकली जो है कॉपर वाइंडिंग्स या स्ट्रिप से बना रहता है, जहाँ की MHD जनरेटर को हॉट आयोनाइज्ड गैस पास की आती है या जो फ्लूइड रहता है उसको रिप्लेस करते हैं सॉलिड कंडक्टर के रूप में. It is a generation of the electric power utilizing the high temperature, conducting the plasma stream of the high temperature working fluid passing through an intense magnetic field. It converts the thermal energy extracted from the fuel directly into the electrical energy. The fuel is burned into the presence of the compressed air in the combustion chamber. During the combustion seeding, materials are added to increase the ionization, and this ionized gas plasma is made to the expand through a nozzle into the generator. Various methods for the ionizing the gas are available, or all which depending on the imparting the sufficient energy to the gas. The ionizations can be produced by the thermal or the nuclear means. Materials such as the potassium carbonate or the cesiums are often added in the small amount, typically about of the 1% of the total mass flow to the increase the ionization and improve the conductivity, particularly combustion of the gas plasma. And the magnetic field, which is the current is generated, it can be extracted by the placing the electrodes in a suitable stream, and this generated EMF is directly called is a direct current. That is in a short form, that is a DC. This is the open loop MSD or the MGD, where the energy will be created, and after passing through the cathode ray side and after using in the MSD generator, it is escaping to the atmospheric side. The fuel which is using, it will supply from the outside source, and the passing through the combustion chamber, where the oxygen it is supplying from the another side. It is preheated 1100 degrees centigrade temperature of the air, and in contact with the fuel, making of the gases passes through the nozzle, and this high speed gases which is going into the MHD duct, where it will be used by the inverter, and the amount of the AC current which is the produced at the top end side, and it will be used for the some industrial purpose. After that, where the gas is passes through the MHD duct, it will be going into the preheater, where the heat energy of the gas will be utilized for creating the air temperature high, and the heat recovery unit for the replacing of the all the things where the temperature will be used by the another unit. This is the pollution control unit, where the gas will be extracted for the some wastage amount of the things which are the passes through the stacks through the chimney. This is called the open cycle MHD generator. In the closed loop, some mandatory or the some requirement which is the compulsory, it is done by the fuel which is passing through the combustion chamber, and after that nozzle and the all the things are working as the same in the case of the open loop, but there is a difference. The removal of the nitrogen and the sulfur, which is passing through the stack through the chimney, it will be harmful in the case of the open loop MHD generator. It will be the recovery of the open loop type of the MHD and the MHD generator, and it will be the advancement form of the open loop type of the generator. So steam which is generating or the fuel, it will be used by the magnetic turbine, and after that where the hot gases is coming from the MHD generator, it will be going into the air preheater, and the air is supplying from this side steam generator. It will be run by this air preheater side, and the steam which is extracted from the steam generator, and the generator is run by the steam turbine. The makeup seed, which is again used by the seed recovery, and the oxygen is supplied into the combustion chamber through the utilizing of the all the heat energy of the hot gases, and it will be produced by the hot air which is passing through the combustion chamber, and it will be combined with the fuel. This is the last slide of the today lecture. What is the power generation in India? India is the one of the world largest consumer of the energy. This is the conventional sources: thermal, hydro, and the nuclear. Non-conventional, that is the wind, solar, and the geothermal. Tidal, that is the non-conventional. Installed capacity, that is the 161,352 megawatt. थर्मल की कैपेसिटी जो है 95151.74 मेगावाट. हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट की जो कैपेसिटी है वो 36877.76 मेगावाट. न्यूक्लियर की जो है 4120 मेगावाट, एंड द रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सिस्टम दैट इज द 13242.41 megawatt. The annual power production, that is the 680 billion kilowatt hour. So this is the today lecture. If you have any doubt, please ask me.